It's your girl Asia back with another video. What are you looking at? Silly. Anyways, guess where we're going? Back to the pumpkin patch. Because we couldn't find a pumpkin last time, so we need to go back. Not to the last one, because the last one we went to Loki was not that great, but so we're gonna go to it's called Club Hunt Farm, and it's so nice there. Y'all see what I'm talking about. But my lips are always so dry. I'm sorry. I'm looking a little busted though too. My eyebrows done. Hold on. We at the gas station right now. Junior's giving me some eye drops for my dry ass eyes. But yeah, just another daily vlog and stuff. Right, and they say hey. Hey. If y'all wondering what the heck that is on her finger, she burnt herself. She touched the stove while we had a boiling pot on there. So mommy had to do her little work and stuff. Thank you.
Get out my face.
Hey, this dude decided to prank me this morning. He didn't get it on camera though. He decided to prank me. I thought somebody broke in the house. I was really finna find the gun and shoot his behind. He was stupid for that one. Did you see my face though? Like I was really like low-key like on survival mode. Like I really thought somebody was walking up my steps. I was finna go to the steps and grab the girls, like, and then I saw you right there. I was like, yo, you scared the shit out of me. Not funny at all. Don't worry. I'm gonna get your ass back.
Ooh, so scared.
On camera, you ain't gonna like it.
So
You ain't
scared.
gonna like it.
Oh my God. No.
Whatever. Anyways, we'll see y'all when we get there. We made it. Lay, you wanna show your outfit? So look at my outfit today. Look at my outfit today. Yay. Andy, you show your outfit? Let's tell people what you wearing. What you wearing? So you got your, let me see your shirt. Ooh, cute. I see. What you rocking? What you rocking today?
Man, you know, something simple.
Okay.
You know, cool dad fit. Sweats,
Yeah, some comfortable. I see.
You know, tell me what you wearing. Don't leave yourself out.
That's not a good idea.
Don't leave yourself out.
Yeah.
Look,
I'm just
rocking the Navy official.
Repping the
Harley home, always revving head ass.
repping.
Somebody look at this.
And they come this
Trying to
way.
put everybody on blast. Another pumpkin patch in the works. I felt like the last one sucked, honestly. So hopefully.
I like this one. I've been here.
Yeah, this way. So hopefully, you know, this is a better turnout. Breeze. See? That's all it takes. If I don't have a temperature, can't have COVID. Duh, everybody know that.
Oh, I think we're doing that too.
Doing what?
The tree walk.
I mean, we ain't walking no trees.
What?
What we look like?
I think that's part of our ticket.
Well, I look like Tarzan.
We did the petting farm and the tree walk.
I ain't even got no ticket.
Yes, you do. I bought it before we got here.
Damn.
How you thought you was coming in here? That you was going
Damn.
to Arkansas? Huh?
I thought like we was gonna buy it at the ticket booth, and then they was gonna be like, "Oh no, we're not doing tickets," and I was gonna come pick y'all up.
Hey, let's start dropping shows.
I guess that didn't work out very well, huh? Guess I'm here for the long haul, fellas. I'm glad they doing tickets though, cause see, this way it's not crowded,
Yeah.
not too many people.
Usually this place is packed.
Damn, that's a big ass horse. I don't know if y'all can. Oh, y'all can't see it.
Where?
It's like straight ahead.
Oh, we should have did the horse ride.
I never went horseback
You
riding.
never? How you coming south and never horseback riding?
Cause man, we don't just like ride
I've
the
been
animals,
horseback
man.
riding and I'm from the north.
Cause that's some northern shit.
No, it's not.
Look good. The Billy goat.
Look at the baby goat. Oh my. Oh, and these animals are way cleaner than the last farm we went to. Hi. You're so sweet. You want to pet him? He wants to pet. Go ahead. Go like this. No, he's not. He's not scary. Look at the baby. Oh my. Look how cute. Yeah. Look how freaking. Y'all wanna go buy? You wanna go buy food? Lay, look. Look, oh, you see him licking. You see him licking. He's hungry. How much? Excuse me. How much did you pay for that?
I think it's like $5.
$5.
Here, baby, you want some?
Oh, Indy, you want some? Thank you. You want to get some to the? You want to feed him? Thank you. Oh, yay! High five. Good job. Not scary, right?
Get some out.
Thank you.
Here.
Yay! Aww. They're so cute. Look, Indy. Look at the white one. Oh. Aurora's like, I am not with it.
You don't want to pet him?
You gotta pet. Look, your sister petting, and then you gotta show her how to pet him. You gotta show her. That'd be nice. Yeah, so nice. Here, record. I'm gonna take pictures. Oh, look at that one.
Aurora ain't having that shit.
What?
No, that ain't no doggy.
Hey. She ain't even like doggy. Indy having a ball.
Indy, what's that? Say goat? It's a goat.
It's a goat?
Say goat.
Oh, you want to give the goat hugs? Give him hugs? It's not scary. Okay, just pet him. Pet the goat. Yeah. Just pet. Yay. Look at me, say cheese. Look at me, say cheese. Pet the goat, say cheese. So we just left the goat pen, and they come over here. One of them like bit my hair and started pulling it. I was like, ah!
Gotcha.
I was scared. They were so nice. They was all like, I felt like Snow White. Like I was on the floor.
Where you going?
I was on the floor, and they was all coming up to me. I was like, yay! And then he was sniffing me. Everybody was sniffing me. I was like, yeah, I feel like Snow White, like a Disney princess. All the animals around me, and they started biting my hair, pulling it. I was like, hold up. No, that ain't it.
Ain't no princess.
Bad confused. You do. As a sheep. Is it a sheep? Yeah, it's a sheep. Whoa. Hi, sheep. Wait. That's not a goat.
Right in front of you.
Nubian goat. Oh. These look like sheeps. No, this one's a sheep. Okay. Look at the llama, Indy. You see the llama? What? I got spit by a llama before. Oh, it was a camel. It was a camel. At the Bronx Zoo in New York. That thing looked like Cusco. Andy, you see the llama? Come on, let's go over this way. Come on, let's go this way. Come this way. Like, you see other animals?
Well, you about to freak out with your damn birds.
I know, cage. And it's just birds flying everywhere freely. And they literally come up to you and like sit on your head and your shoulders and stuff. It's so fun. India, I think India did good with it too when she was little. She ain't been there since. Yeah, that's where we finna go. Look at this chicken. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Babe, I dare you to go pick it up. You won't pick it up. You won't.
I want to pick it up.
Just do it. I want to see you do it. Why?
He's already out his habitat. He clearly is a thug. Out his enclosure, walking around like he can't be caught.
Yeah. Let's go do this bird. Oh, look. Okay, there's nobody over here, so we can see llamas closer. Nah, better not. I don't got no food for you, buddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just want to see way back up, because I really don't. I don't trust llamas like that. Hey.
Funny, man, 'cause, hey, look.
Indy, back up. He look like he really.
Hey, it's funny because that one got the same teeth as you.
Shut up. That's not. You're not funny. No, he really look like he a human stuck in a llama body. He look like his eyes want to tell me something, don't it?
Oh, I'm about to spill your ass. You gonna give me
He's staring dead at me. That's crazy.
you gonna give me some food or you gonna catch me working?
He like, all right, she playing. I don't have food for you, buddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't. I didn't get any food. I'm sorry. Don't. Hey. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm sorry. Say hi, llama.
Llama.
Babas. Aurora. Say hi, llama. Say hi, llama. Andy, watch out. You all up in her camera space. Say hi.
We're gonna see the cow.
Babas. Wait, I'm trying to get her to say hi. Come closer. Come a little closer. I want her to see. She got to face her fears somehow. You know, she ain't got to touch it.
No.
She ain't got to touch it. Babas, look. Say hi, llama. Say hi. You want to wave? You want to wave?
She's like, I'm sorry. I did not know.
You're not going to wave? Say hi to the llama. All right, come on, Indy. Everybody get their stick. You get your stick. Hold on. Indy, you gotta watch your step when you come in here, okay? Okay? We don't want to step on no birdies. Right? Okay, go up there. Go up there with that. Ready? Go ahead, Indy. No problem. And you go like this. Look. Go like this. I said, come to me, birdie. I said, come to me. I'm trying to get one. We're going to get one. I'm trying to catch one getting on India's stick. We might have to go around, babe, because it's a lot. Oh, look. Oh, India got scared. India. India.
Aurora's mad the food for her. Look at the baby.
Aurora's more into. Oh shoot! Look. Do not fight on me, y'all. I will drop y'all. I will drop y'all. Aurora's more chill than Indy. Indy, come over here. Indy, come here. Indy, come over here. Watch your step.
Come here, Indy. Come here, come here.
She's scared, babe. You gotta get her. Expected.
Indy, come here.
But these birds are so beautiful, y'all. Y'all see?
Come to my hand. Come take my hand.
So pretty.
Come take my hand. Come on.
Their nails are sharp too, though. I ain't gonna lie.
Come on.
We gotta be real calm for this.
Hey, get her.
Watch your step, Indy. She was freaking out. The bird went on the stick and she just dropped it. She was freaking out. Lovely. You see that? You wanna pet him? Say hey, bird. Indy, it's just birds. She was so way more calm when she was like one in this. She was like Aurora, how she is now. Oh! I was like, hold up, hold up. You see the birdies? And you watch your step. Don't step on them, okay? Cause they all like over here. they fighting on here. Y'all better stop. Y'all better cut it out. Andy, look, you have to cut. Come on, you want to sit down? Yeah, let's sit. Maybe. Andy, you don't want to feed the bird? You want to pet him? I'm about to steal your bird. Come on, birdie. Come on, birdie. Yeah. She's like, ugh. She just twitched a little like nasty. You don't like the bird? Look, mommy gonna show you there's nothing to be scared of. Hold on. Oh, these birds are so freaking beautiful though. Like, look how crazy and beautiful and vibrant that white looks. Like, what?
It's all right, India. It's just a bird. Look.
It's just a bird. Pet it, babe, so she can see. Look, Daddy gonna pet it. Look. See?
It's a birdie.
It's just a birdie. See?
Look, India, look. Just a little birdie.
It's just a birdie. Little lady, you wanna touch it? Blow kisses. She's ignoring. She's ignoring me.
She like you gotta be talking to her.
What was?
Stick better. I got the belly stick.
No, mine got way more.
Stick. Yeah, I got the belly stick. Come on.
What was? Look. She's like, Yeah, do that so I can take pictures. So y'all, they are scared. Well, Aurora's alright. She just don't want to touch him. Indy just don't want them nowhere near her. Look, she keep moving. She's like, leave me alone. Look, she just said it. Leave me alone. Indy, it's okay.
Get on my hand.
Oh, one's on my shoulder.
Get on my hand.
Get
it, Rory.
Look, y'all don't start fighting on me. I don't do that.
Look, it's a stick. My finger's a stick. Land on it.
You don't got no food. Indy, relax.
Rory, get it.
Yeah. You guys said, what color is this bird, Indy? What color is it? Green. Good job. What color is that one over there on the floor? What color is that? You see the blue one right here? Look, what color is that? Yeah. Let's see. What color is that one? What's this one? Yeah, good job. What color is this one? What's that? Oh, where'd it go? Oh. They literally come up and just be like, hey, no fighting. Stop it. No fighting. No fighting. And get your butt off of me. Babe, look, they literally fighting on my stick.
I know.
Like, goodness.
Why you take the shoe off?
What the heck is going on? Okay.
You're missing the best moment.
What?
You missed it.
You gotta hold a bird, though.
No, I don't. You missed it.
Alright, ready?
Off me. I don't let scared cats hold my hand. Get off me. Get off me. No scary cats allowed over here. Scary cat, scary cat. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. Nah, nah, boo boo, you can't get me. Nah, nah, boo boo.
Yeah, so that was a fail for the girls at least. They did not like the birds, especially India. Aurora was like, I'm cool, I'll look at them, but just don't come near me. India was like, don't look at me, don't come near me, don't touch me. India.
Put your hands up. What's up? What's up? Put your hands up.
Come on, man, I'm hungry.
Come on. Come on. Pop, pop, pop. Put your hands up.
Did you like the birds? No. Why didn't you like the birds? Huh? Why didn't you like the birds? I just gonna leave mate. We over here at the pumpkins now. Sorry for the picking out a pumpkin.
I got you.
Lois.
Look, we got the baby pumpkin for you. Okay, you like this one? This one is baby. That's your pumpkin. That's the one? This the one? No? Alright, Andy, you gotta know.
She's like,
Which one? Which one you want? Alright, put the
like,
other one back.
ew, that one's ugly. No, I'm playing.
Put the other one back. That's the one you want?
Lady. It was a long farm day. That pumpkin juice. We finally found a pumpkin. You know, go ahead.
Hours.
We're looking for the perfect one. But I don't think you can ever find an actual perfect one. Perfect pumpkin. Shut up. But yeah, we're probably gonna make a video carving the pumpkin. That's probably gonna be a video, so stay tuned. We are gonna end this video here, I think. Right?
Yeah, we definitely ending it here.
We tired.
Enough is enough.
I like that one where we was just saying that we like that farm way better than the last one. The last one wasn't too much to do, and I hope it showed I hope it shows on the vlog. But it was a lot of stuff to do there, like a lot. It was really fun. I enjoyed myself. And you enjoyed yourself? Huh? Why do you keep taking your bandage off?
I tried you to see was removed.
Okay, Rose was messing with it. Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Did you have fun today?
Yes.
You have fun, even though you didn't like the birds. You liked all the other stuff. You wasn't messing with the birds, huh? Yeah, lady. You have fun too. Yeah. Okay. All right, y'all. thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy, please leave a like. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, just you might as well do it. If you're watching and you like, if you like it, then like. If you like it, then subscribe. You know. So thank you guys for supporting and watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Make sure y'all share that. You know, way man, peace out. Y'all know what it is. Flow Productions. We out.
Tell your friends to tell a friend. Peace.
What you're giving, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to